Hello and welcome to Hexar. In this video, we will quickly understand how to use Hexar AI for troubleshooting in your robot. Let us start with logging in from the landing page. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can create public or private projects. You can also add your team members to the project for collaborative work. Once the project is created, create a fault tree in the project. This will give you a default template which can be modified or expanded as per your robot. For example, we have this fault tree in the TurtleBot project where all the components and defects are added. Now, once the fault tree is ready, a user can ask Hexar their doubts about the project, fault diagnosis and resolution steps, etc. And it will answer based on its intelligence plus the fault tree knowledge it has.